Good morning. My name is Dr. Rakesh Kumar, Department of Chemistry, Government College Burwala, Panchkula in Haryana. My topic is supramolecular chemistry and their the applications. In supramolecular chemistry may be defined as chemistry beyond the molecules bearing on the organized entity of higher complexity that result from the associations of the two or more chemical species held together by the intramolecular forces. Supramolecular chemistry involves the important concepts such as the molecular self-assembly, molecular folding, molecular recognitions, host-guest chemistry, dynamic covalent chemistry, mechanical interlock molecular architectures, and there are the examples, different kind of the examples such as the colloids, proteins, antibody antigens, DNA protein, sugar and lectins, dendrons in the drug delivery systems, macrocyclic, covalent organic framework, molecular nodes, and etc. In supramolecular chemistry involve the non-covalent interactions. Non-covalent interactions such as the hydrogen bonding, CH-pi interactions, pi-pi interactions, ion-ion interactions, dipole-dipole interactions, van der Waal interactions, ion-dipole interactions, and hydrophobic interactions. The different kind of the applications of the supramolecular self-assembly in nature such as the DNA, RNA, biomolecules, in material such as the sensor device making, in medicinal such as the drug loading, drug delivering, in catalysis such as the chiral synthesis, in synthetic chemistry such as the inorganic organic polymers. Use of the different kind of the synthesis chemistry for the synthesis of the amino acid derived ligands and the different kind of the amino acid derived ligand in the supramolecular chemistry. In amino acids having the three functional group, first is the amine, second is the carboxylic acid, third is the side chain functional group, and the important role of the amine group in C-base condensations, hydrogen bonding, new metal binding sites, and electron control over the new groups, and the important role of the carboxylic acids in metal binding sites, hydrogen bonding, and ester and the amine functionalizations, and the role of the side chains in the side chains of the amino acids, control over the weak binding, hydrophobic or hydrophilic group, hydrogen bonding sites, and the steric factors. Synthesis of the different kind of the reduced C-base ligands. The reduced C-base ligand is generally more stable than the pure C-base ligand. These ligand with hydrogen donor and acceptor sites always favorable result in the large molecule assembled structures. The ligand is characterized by the FTR, CHN, NMR, and single crystal X-ray crystallography. These synthesis of the reduced C-base ligand are used for the synthesis of the different kind of the nickel, copper, zinc complexes, and the synthesis of the five types of the nickel complexes: complex 1, complex 2, complex 3, and complex 4, and complex 5. The complex are correct. All the complexes are characterized by the FTR, UV visible absorption spectroscopy, mass spectra, powder XRD, and the single crystal X-ray crystallography. According to the single crystal X-ray crystallography, complex 1 is the monomer complexes. These asymmetric unit of the complex 1 is constituted of the nickel center surrounded by the two ligand arranged in the distorted octahedral with the cis conformations, and the trigonal crystal systems, and the space group the P3-1. Synthesis of the different kind of the complex 2 and the complex 3, the different in the complex 2 the both the sulfur atom bind to the nickel atoms. In complex 3 one sulfur atom bind to the nickel atoms, and the one sulfur atom free from the nickel site is. And the asymmetry unit of the complex 2 contain the one protonated unit ethanol and the one water molecule solvent crystallizations. The asymmetric synthesis of the complex 3 contain the one nickel units and the one protonated ethanol DMF 2 water molecules as a solvent of the crystallizations. Complex 4 and the complex 5 are the different type of the arrangements. The complex 4 recognize the S1 1 amino 2 propanol, and complex 5 recognize only the R2 amino 1 propanols. The asymmetry unit of the complex 4 contain the one nickel unit, one protonated S1 amino 2 propanol, and the three water molecules as a solvent of the crystallizations. The asymmetric unit of the complex 5 contain the one nickel units, one protonated R2 amino 1 propanol, 2 water and 2 methanol molecules as a solvent of the crystallizations. The different kind of the applications of the amino acid derived ligand and their the applications. In applications 1, the chiral porous MOF, two different kind of the MOF synthesized. MOF 1 has the higher water holding capacity than the MOF 2. In MOF 1 escape the water at the 80 degrees centigrade, and in MOF 2 they escape the water molecules at 40 degree temperatures. The two lattice water molecules from the secondary helical continuous water chain inside the molecular helicals. In applications, in second applications, self-assemble capsule of the octameric copper coordination complex. These capsule has the four guest pyridine molecules trapped inside the cavity, in which two of the pyridine molecules are held with the combinations of the hydrogen bond and the copper coordinations. In third applications, removal of the water and insertions of the iodines. The removal of the water and insertion of the iodine inside the channel to synthesize a microporous crystal with an empty 1D helical channel by the selective removal losing bounded water and successfully insertions of the iodine inside the channels. Thank you.